Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS MSK access for streaming analytics pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize AWS MSK access for streaming analytics pipelines, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS MSK dashboard. Select the existing Amazon MSK cluster you want to work with. Review the cluster details to confirm its current configuration. Next, go to the Networking tab of your MSK cluster. Note the VPC and security groups associated with the cluster. Ensure that your streaming analytics application runs within the same VPC for seamless access. If it runs in a different VPC, consider setting up VPC peering or a VPN connection. Next, locate the IAM roles needed for your streaming application to interact with MSK. Create a new IAM role if necessary, ensuring it has policies attached for Amazon MSK access. Go to the IAM dashboard and click on Roles. Choose Create Role, then select AWS Service and choose the appropriate service for your application. Attach policies that allow access to the necessary Amazon MSK actions. Review and create the role, noting the ARN for later use. Now, return to the MSK cluster settings and ensure the correct IAM role is associated. In the Permissions tab, attach the IAM role to your MSK cluster. Configure your streaming analytics application to use this IAM role for accessing MSK. Make sure to specify the necessary Kafka Bootstrap servers in your application configuration. To ascertain connectivity, test the network paths from your analytics application to the MSK cluster endpoints. Implement security group rules to allow traffic on the required Kafka ports. Adjust inbound rules to permit access from your analytics application's security group. If you use AWS Glue or Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics, ensure they have the correct permissions as well. Next, configure any additional settings specific to your analytics service, such as data format or serialization. Once all configurations are set, deploy your streaming analytics pipeline. Monitor the pipeline logs to confirm successful connections and data flow. Adjust configurations as necessary based on errors or performance metrics. Regularly review IAM roles and permissions to maintain secure access to your MSK cluster. With all steps completed, your AWS MSK is now properly authorized for your streaming analytics pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.